Welcome to WH Creator. In this video, we're going to learn how to change the series and generation of a laptop and also how to identify if it's been modified. Here, our laptop is Core i5, 10th generation. Let's see how it can be changed. Simply press Windows plus R. Type Regedit. And click OK. Now click Yes on the prompt. Next, expand the folder. H-key local machine. Expand the folder hardware. Next, expand the folder description. Next, expand the folder central processor. Now click on 0. Now click in right side on processor name string. You'll see the current processor name. Here you can easily change it. For example, convert i5 to i7 and 10th gen to 12th gen. Click OK to save. Now, go to this PC properties. And you'll see the series and generation have changed. But remember, this only changes the display name, not the actual hardware. You can revert it anytime by repeating the same steps and restoring the original text. Before buying a laptop, install Windows and check its series and generation through System Properties to avoid being deceived. By the same process you can change it again and convert it to its original form. Simply type your original PC series and generation here, then click OK to restore it. Now go to this PC properties, and you'll see it has returned to its original form. Always be careful before buying a laptop. Make sure to install Windows and check the series and generation to avoid being misled. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to WH Creator for more useful tech tips.